Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're diving into one of the most infamous Windows vulnerabilities ever, EternalBlue, aka MS17-010. This vulnerability was used in major attacks like WannaCry and NotPetya, and today, we're going to break down how it works, how it's exploited, and we'll walk through a proof-of-concept lab setup. What is EternalBlue? EternalBlue is a remote code execution exploit developed by the NSA and later leaked by the shadow brokers in 2017. It targets a flaw in the SMBv1 protocol, specifically how Microsoft's SMB server handles specially crafted packets. The vulnerability affects multiple Windows versions, XP, 7, 8, Server 2003, and 2008, especially if they weren't patched with MS17-010. Technical breakdown: SMBv1 protocol flaw. The bug lies in how SMBv1 handles messages, particularly the way it manages memory via the SRVOs, 2 phi to NT function, integer overflow vulnerability. A crafted FEA list can trigger a heap overflow. Result: the attacker gains arbitrary read-write, allowing them to inject shellcode into kernel memory. Why is this dangerous? It allows unauthenticated remote code execution, and that's game over. Let's see how the EternalBlue works in the lab. What you need: Windows 7, VM Kali Linux or Parrot OS, attacker machine Metasploit framework. Let's see how it works practically in lab.